Today we'll be isolating elemental hydrogen and oxygen gas.
So this is my gas generation setup, and I apologize for the background noise. But anyway, when I drop this flask contains hydrochloric acid, and when I drop aluminum in, it will react to produce aluminum chloride and the hydrogen gas, which I'm after. The hydrogen gas will flow out this tube, and then it will end up in this flask. It will go down this first tube and into the water, and the water serves to clean the hydrogen, because what happens is the reaction over here that's generating hydrogen will also generate some hydrogen chloride vapor, which is soluble in water, so I can get rid of that just by it dissolving in this tube. And then the hydrogen gas will flow out this other tube, and it flows around here and ends up bubbling into this flat bottom flask, where I'm collecting it by water displacement.
Alright, to produce the hydrogen, I'll blow up a small piece of aluminum foil, and this is to slow down the reaction enough for me to get the rubber stopper on. So now I'm going to drop in the aluminum and very quickly stopper it off, and of course duct tape for extra security. After just a few seconds, the reaction is becoming very vigorous and a large quantity of hydrogen is being produced. It actually displaced most of the water before I could film it. Alright, now let's make some oxygen. I have filled an Erlenmeyer flask with 300 milliliters of 3% hydrogen peroxide, and I'm dropping in a few grams of manganese dioxide. This will catalyze the decomposition of the peroxide into oxygen and water, so that it occurs in a matter of minutes instead of years. The reaction isn't quite as fast as the one that produced hydrogen, so it takes a bit longer to collect the same 250 milliliters of gas. Now it's time to perform the classic demonstrations with oxygen and hydrogen. The test for hydrogen is that if you light it on fire, it will make a popping sound as it explodes. Well, we definitely have hydrogen, but what about the oxygen? To test for oxygen, we need to see if it will relight a glowing splint. So I will light a wooden splint and then quickly blow it out. Inserting it into the flask, we find that it relights. Let's see if we can do it again. What's happening chemically is that the increased concentration of oxygen is reinitiating the combustion of the wood.
Hi guys, and thanks for watching another episode of the Periodic Channel. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below, and my gallium video will be out soon.